Meaning of dictatorship.
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 Dictatorship. Dictatorship refers to a form of government in which a single individual, known as a dictator, has absolute power and control over the state and its citizens. In a dictatorship, there are no free and fair elections, no freedom of speech or press, and no independent judiciary. The result of dictatorship is often repression, human rights abuses, and economic stagnation. The lack of accountability and transparency can lead to corruption, and the absence of checks and balances can result in unchecked abuse of power. Ultimately,